afternoon. This is Patty from Patty's Kitchen, and I'm here to show you a new recipe. And I found this recipe somewhere, and I just want to share it with you. It is called cracker salad, and tonight we're gonna have hamburgers. I've already made homemade hamburgers, and we're gonna do this cracker salad. Okay, I have already cut up my green onions and my tomatoes, and I have a boiled egg here. I used 3 stalks of the green onions and a small to medium tomato. Okay, this is my bowl that I'm going to make it in. These are the crackers that I'm going to use, and I'm going to crush these crackers. I'm going to crush them like this. Now, I'm using Ritz crackers, but you can use the saltine crackers or the unsalted crackers. But I wanted to use the Ritz crackers, and I have a sleeve of Ritz crackers here, and I'm just going to mash them like this. I'm going to mash them. Okay. Gonna mash them, and I need some gloves. I forgot to get my gloves, but this is in a pack. So I'm going to get my gloves. Okay, Tyler, would you get my gloves for me? You, okay, and I'm just going to crush these and get my kitchen gloves so that I won't touch anything without them. Okay. And as you can see, I'm crushing these, and I'm going to put them in the bowl. I want to put these crushed crackers in the bowl like this. And these are my Ritz crackers, okay? And Tyler is getting the gloves. I'm not going to touch anything without the gloves on. Okay, and that is the Ritz crackers, if you show them the crackers in the bowl. Okay, so I have my, I'm going to do my egg. And put my boiled egg. I have 1 boiled egg. And this is the egg that I'm going to mash and put it in my crackers. I'm going to mash up this egg like so. Real fine. Put it in my crackers. And, okay. The eggs and Ritz crackers. Okay. This is the green onions, and I have the tomato. So I've already cut them. I'm putting those in my salad, okay? And I'm going to look at the salad. See what it looks like? Now, I'm going to put a little black pepper in here. And you can use any seasonings that you would like to use. I have my own seasonings that I use. I'm not telling you to use what I use, but you can use what you want. Okay, I'm putting a little of this in here. And that is that. And I have some garlic powder. I like my garlic powder. Putting that in. And I'm going to put some dry parsley in it. Dry parsley. And this is a table salt. I mean, not salt. Salt-free table blend. I'm sorry. Okay, that is that. And I'm going to add mayo. I'm going to put about this much. I don't know if that will be enough, but we'll just stir it around like this. Stir it around, just kind of mix it around. And you can put as much mayo or as little as you would like. And this is a good, quick salad. It is cracker salad. You can add pickles to it if you want. I use the salad, the sweet salad cubes in mine. And I'm just going to do this. Now, you can put this on a bed of lettuce if you like, or you can just eat it like this. I think I'm going to add a little more mayo. Let me step away for a second and get another spoon. Okay, I'm going to put just a little more mayo in it. Let's see what that is like. And here it is. See what it looks like? Okay, I have enough. Okay, look at that. And I'm going to get my plate and put it on my plate and let you see what it looks like. Okay, let me put some on the plate and let you see what it looks like. And this is a cracker salad. Look at that. Tell me what you think. It looks good. It is delicious. Okay, this is Patty's Kitchen. And we will be coming on to show more recipes. Some I had already, some I have adopted from other places. And we're going to share these recipes together, and we're all going to learn how to cook simple, inexpensive dishes. Now, this is a simple salad. I use a sleeve of Ritz crackers, 1 boiled egg, a small to medium tomato, 3 stalks of green onions, and then of course my seasonings. And you can choose whatever seasonings you like, and you can choose to put it on lettuce, but eat it quickly because you don't want your crackers to be all soggy. I like mine a little crisp. So here it is. Thank you so much for joining Patty's Kitchen, and we will see you soon. Goodbye.